Glam fam, welcome to today's tutorial. I lost the clip that is meant for today's tutorial, so I had to quickly film new set of videos, just to be able to show up the things I do for my audience. I love you guys so much, and thank you for the love you have been showing me on this platform. I'm really grateful. Thank you so much. So right here I'm using the Got2b glue to hold my brow in place. This technique is actually to hold your brow in place and help you to have that defined shape even before you go in with your brow pencil. So that is what I'm doing right here. Can you see how defined it is? So going in with the Younger Brow Lotion pencil, I'm just filling in the sparse areas of my brow. I'm just filling it in sparsely. I'm sorry guys, this is not a perfect tutorial, but this is something you can work with. Don't worry, there are so many detailed tutorials coming your way that I have recorded, and I will make sure not to lose any clip. Going in with the Ega and Esther brow pomade here, I'm just using the Duraline to just wet it. If it is dry, you can wet it with a Duraline instead of just throwing it away. You can wet it with a Duraline. So here I'm just mimicking the brow hair that I have. I have a very full and bushy brow, so I'm just mimicking the brow hair that I have, making it look more natural. Just filling in those sparse areas of my brow. That is what I'm doing right here. Don't worry, I've told you more detailed tutorials are coming your way on how to just achieve a fluffy brow, but this is something you can work with for your everyday go to school, go to work kind of outcome. Using the Younger brow tint in Beam to just I'm just putting a little bit on my brow to just lighten it and not make it too dark, and then brushing it out. Then I'm using the LA Girl Pro Concealer in Chestnut. This concealer is still my best concealer for brow. Like, it's easy to blend. It doesn't, I don't know, I just enjoy it for my brow. So I'm using it to conceal. I'm using only Chestnut. Usually I would use like 3 concealers to conceal the inner corner, the brow bone area, and the outer corner, but today I'm just going in with 1 concealer. So here's the final look guys. Don't worry, many more tutorials to come. Just make sure to subscribe, turn on your notification bell so you can get notified when there is an update. Like this video, share. See you in my next video. Bye.